everyone. Today on Hello Susan we're going to be making these, and I don't know exactly what the real name is called, but I call it a page border tab because it kind of acts as a tab because it extends past your journal page, but you put it on your journal page so that it shows on one side or the other, and I make mine pretty big so it does look like a border. Now this one is a Christmas one. So of course you're not limited to whatever you're doing. I just had this one pre-made from last year, and so I thought, oh, well, let me go ahead and show that. So it's got layers of fabric and trims, and then fussy cuts, and then you glue this to your page. Now you can glue it across here and make tuck spots, or you can glue it down completely, just whatever you choose to do. And you can even paper clip it on if you want to. Okay, let me put that one over here. And so we're going to make this one today. And of course this is for our farmer's market journal that we're working on. So my base is a file folder. So I just cut out whatever size rectangle I want. I inked up the edges. And so it's got two sides. So I've got two sets of items here that we need to glue in place. So let's go ahead and start with this one first. So I've got this eyelet. I've been using eyelet in this book pretty much. So I just want to center that on the page. And I'm using Fabri-Tac. Okay. And these are, you can make them as classy or as rustic as you want. I'm going for an in-between, kind of a rustic, cottagey kind of look. The book is Farmer's Market, and it does have some farm stuff in it, but I still have my tendencies to go cottage. Okay, so that's the first thing that we put on. Now I put this together already just to save time in the video, but I took a sheet from the kit and tore out a section that I liked the image, added a trim, added some other trim here, added the word imagine, and put another piece of trim there. So I'm just going to glue this all on top of here now. Just trying whatever I can do to make my videos a little bit shorter, because I live in a rural area and my internet is pretty slow. Even a 15-minute video that I make takes 8 hours to load, and when it's loading it really limits my ability to do much else, because my TV is streamed through my internet too, and I can't do that at the same time as uploading a video. So I'm starting to make little shorter ones. I still want to give you the same impact, you know, of going through all the steps. So I'm trying to tell you exactly what we're doing, just make it a little bit shorter. Okay, now I've got a butterfly that I want to add. And I want to add that right there. Isn't that cute? Well, let me lift it up just a little bit higher. I'm covering up my red flower just a little bit too much. There we go. Okay, so that's that side. And that went extremely fast because I had already put it together. So this side we're going to put together at the same time. So the first thing I have is I've got a piece of paper that I printed on, and then I've got a piece of fabric that I tore so it could be rustic. And I'm going to glue this on this side now. Okay, hold it up just so I can see if I'm getting it on here just right. So just creating layers pretty much, you know, just like we do on everything. Now I've got this this trim right here that I tore off of a cup towel, and it's hand crocheted on the edge. And then this is part of the cup towel that's still attached to it. And I want to put that right here on this edge and make sure I'm doing it the right way. I don't want it to be upside down on this side and right side up on the other side. Okay. I think I would rather have this underneath here a little bit. Let me lift that up real quick. I was debating which way I was going to put it. I want it to hang off a little bit, you know, so you can get the impact. Okay, there we go. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now I've got some net that I want to put on next. You know, just building up another layer. Not too much glue for this one. And then just kind of set it on there. And it's all misshapen. Can you see that? It's kind of weird. I like them like that. Okay, now I've got this lace that I'm going to have to stretch when I glue it on here. But I'm going to put that on this side. I still wanted to see this paper, but I just wanted to see if that was opening up or not, if I could glue it to that part, and I can. Okay. Anyway, so that's why I went with something sheer, because I still wanted to see those pretty flowers under there. Okay. Start at the bottom and pull it up. See how you can still see through it, but it gives you another layer. Okay. Now, I've got this piece that I cut off of a doily. You know, it has the scallops that goes around the edges. And I kind of want to put this just down here at the bottom. See this lace. Do I need to cover up those rough edges? I don't think so. I was thinking about it. Okay, so I fussy cut a bird and I fussy cut a rose, and I want to put those right here. So we'll glue those on next. These are so simple and so fun to make. I really like projects that have a pow to them, but don't take forever to make. And then you can sit down and make quite a few at one time. I don't know if you're like me or not, but when I first get an idea, it's an okay idea, but the longer I play with it and the more I think about it and the more I make, the better ideas I come up with. Okay, now see how that just transformed all of that? And see, we still got our opening here. We're not gluing it shut. Okay, I've got these words that say dare to begin, and I want to put those on here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottom one. I'm going to put that kind of right here, I think, and then dare over here, and then to, just kind of like that. And then we're going to put this in the journal, and you'll be able to see how the journal's coming along too. I'm really having a good time with this journal. It's so much fun, and the colors are so uplifting. Okay, so now we're done with that one. Isn't that cute? And this is the first side. All right, with the lid on my glue. I've got my journal already open to the page where I want to put it. Look at this, isn't it cute? I did a paper towel holder and cut a section and made a little vase and stuffed it full of paper flowers and attached it with the bow. Okay, so this section right here is going to go down here. And look at that. Isn't that cute? And I haven't decided if I want to, how I want to attach it. But that's what it looks like. That is your page border tab. Super cute. Okay guys, that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.